The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Well, people, tell me now. This a bumbo clock man a company side. One way in and one way back out. And the man drive up the hill front way and unload the stuff behind him. How the bumbo clock him out come out? We man him have to work now and move his stuff for this so feed truck drive out. People fools say you never witness this in my life a bumbo clock. The man drive up and unload the stuff behind him. Way more come out.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are out on social media. And these videos, they are being talked about on social media, you know. I mean, like comments have been made about these videos on social media. And, you know, I'm presenting these videos to you to keep you up to date and posted, let you know what's going on. And you can also let me know what you think about these videos that I am presenting to you in this video. All right, now I'm going to move on to another video right about now. I just presented to you a video, and according to what had been said about that video on social media is that that video shows something that happened because of what a truck driver did. It is said that the truck driver drive a truck on a construction site and unload whatsoever the truck was carrying, and because of that the truck was unable to leave the construction site, or it made it difficult for the truck to leave the construction site. This video is out on social media where, you know, persons are laughing at what the truck driver did, you see me? And I think there's a lesson there, you know, look around you, you know, be aware of your surroundings, you see me? Yeah, especially when you're working, you see me? I'm going to present to you another video right about now, and this video is going to show a person who did a video some time ago, you know, and in that video that the person did some time ago, he mentioned the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is Mr. Andrew Holness, you know. He said some things that gave me the understanding that he's trying to let the Prime Minister of Jamaica and other persons know that National Water Commission of Jamaica was not sending any water to a community within the country of Jamaica. Alright? So it would seem as if he's saying that the water was not being pumped to that community. And he also said some things that some persons on social media was talking about some of the things that he had said, isn't it? Now, after he did that video, he did another video, and in that video, he said that some things happened. You understand? Now, I'm not going to say anything else. I'm going to play the video so that you can hear for yourself the things that he said happened. All right? Now, here's the video. Take a listen, look, and observe.
Yeah, man. Greetings in the name of Imperial Majesty, Outer Road speaking, as you know me very well. I posted a video on social media that go viral the other day about inform you that the community youth of Bamboo is planning to burn the Water Commission office. You see? Because you people who are comment on the thing know of the slight idea what bathe in a pan feel like. Like you see him water wash your face, wash your heart, wash your face. Because you can't make it waste. You have to dip up it in the pan and chew it on yourself. And turn up in the pan, make it run back in the pan. And dip it up and chew up on yourself again so you can smell good. And in your house, you have to save the same water to flush the bowl. So, in your house now, smell good when you open it. You understand me? And a modern days now, those in the 70s and a modern days now. I posted a video and me get bashed. Me get called from police, me get called from everybody a bash me tell me if you're dead. And still do not say hi. I was going to burn the Water Commission office. I inform you. You understand me? So hold on now. Look like them that tell bro God say everything alright in a freedom constituency when it's not. But God bless Mr. Bro God look like him call them. So me have to say give thanks to Mr. Bro God this morning. Pick up yourself, Andrew Holness. You roll up at Tufton green. If you even send it 2 days, We can use tank and contain it. Cause I wake up this morning and see bear, lizard and roach. They run out of the pipe them because they don't live in there because they know say it a come back. And watch you know. Watch you know. If full till they bust. Big up Mr. Wholeness every time, General Bro God. You copy?
Viewers and subscribers, it kind of look away if you see that after a person do a video, say there was no water in a community and said some things that is considered to be harsh, then after that video now, that's when water reach within the community that he's talking about. You know what I mean? So it would seem as if that something could have been done a long time ago. You understand? Now, we want to get this very, very clear now, see? It is good to get a point across. You see what I'm saying to you? But I would not encourage anyone to threaten anyone or say anything too harsh to get their point across. You understand me? No, I would not encourage that. You see? But it look away if you say that after he said these harsh things, then certain things happen, you know? Yeah, but you know, viewers and subscribers, you know, I wouldn't want to see anyone get into any trouble. You see what I'm saying to you? And you know, I'm trying to give the best advice. You know, I wouldn't advise anyone to say anything threatening or say anything too harsh in order to get their point across out there or get their word out there towards a certain situation or something that is debatable or a discussion or so forth. You understand? Yes, so anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to another video right about now, and this video that I'm going to present to you is going to show when a journalist within the country of Jamaica asks Mr. Christopher Tufton a question. And according to what had been said about that question on social media, it is said that that question is a personal question. You see what I'm saying to you? I'm going to play that video for you so that you can hear for yourself that question that was asked. All right? Take a listen and observe.
But this one is for the minister. You were saying a while ago, Minister Tufton, that you really, you know, appreciate the work that Market Me does and did. I think the question that Edmund wanted to ask was maybe not answered thoroughly. So I would just want to ask it more directly. Did you cheat on your wife with any of the princes?
No, Minister.
Hold on, no, let me answer.
Minister.
Let me respond. First of all, that's none of your business. And I would prefer you stick to questions around the operations of the ministry. And just as I leave you to your private life, I'd like you to allow me mine. Thank you very much.
Viewers, subscribers, let me know if you think that question was personal or not. Let me know if it was too personal or not. Let me know what you think about that question. Isn't it? Because some persons on social media, you know, yeah, with some comments that are made on social media, some persons are saying that the journalist had no right to ask a question like that. You see me? And you know, most likely you're not going to get everyone to be on the same page or agree on one point when it comes on to social media. So what I'm saying to you. So the journalist asks Christopher Tufton if he cheated on his wife. To me, that is a personal question. Yeah, that's a personal question. To me, that's definitely a personal question. Well, me not get too deep into that anyways, you know. Me not get too deep into that one. Whether it be who, why, where, what, you see me? Yeah, you know, me look at the video and it seems as if Mr. Tufton was a little bit, you know, about the question, you see me? Yeah, me can't say he was angry, because guess what? I don't know his feelings. You see it? Mind your business. Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that question that was asked, you know. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. And here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. You see it? Big up to Ray Spence, big up to Tafara Francis, big up to Monica Allen, big up to Princess B, you see me? Big up to Marsha Bryan, you know, and each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, alright? Yeah, alright. So here's where I'm going to leave it, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.